Every Thanksgiving puts a kitchen to the test, revealing its strengths and its flaws. But how did this holiday become the ultimate stress test for our homes? The answer lies in how American kitchens have evolved to support the way we live. Before modern layouts and appliances, Thanksgiving meant cooking over open hearths. Preparation took hours of tending, constant heat management, and a kitchen designed only for utility. As technology advanced in the early 1900s, kitchens became safer and more efficient. Gas stoves, ice boxes, and later electric ovens changed the pace of big family meals. By the 1940s, the classic kitchen triangle brought order to the space. It was one of the first design principles created to make cooking smoother and less stressful, just as holiday gatherings became a bigger part of American life. Today, Thanksgiving reveals how well a kitchen truly works. Open layouts allow cooking and connection at the same time. Double ovens and generous islands make space for multiple cooks. Smart appliances support timing and coordination. And more homeowners are choosing to renovate with intention, asking questions like, how many people can prep at once? Where do serving stations go? How does the kitchen support gathering, not just cooking? Because on the biggest cooking day of the year, function and flow become impossible to ignore. When a kitchen is designed around how people gather, it becomes more than a workspace. It becomes the center of the home's potential and a source of lasting value. If this inspired you to rethink your space, follow us for insights that help you make smart home decisions with confidence.